Okay, so I've heard about this happening, but this is the first time I've ever experienced it. I'm in the shop today, and we're going to go over something that's really simple. I got a problem with my headlight. It's loose. You can see it just flopping back and forth there. It's a pretty simple process, but we're going to pop that grill off, a couple of screws, and take you guys along for the ride. I hope you enjoy. So if you're like me, and somebody somewhere over the years has replaced some of the factory screws that are a 7mm with something different, it's always good to have a glove box full of extra screws, even if that glove box isn't in the truck that you're working on. So we're going to get some screws and make the KIDHLR a little bit more factory. Alright. Tell you what, there's a couple more in here. We're probably going to need them. That'll work for now. And if we need more, the truck's still here. People wonder why I'm a pack rat. That's why. Alright, so on most of these, you've got a couple screws here, couple screws there, and then remove the turn signals. So mine doesn't have a filler plate there anymore, but if it did, you remove the turn signals, and there's a screw back in there that holds it to the core support, and then a couple of clips that unclip it from that filler plate. You can remove it with the filler plate still attached. It's just a little bit difficult with the bumper still on. So we're going to remove those and get going. sometimes there's one right here too, in the middle of the grill. Somebody didn't put that in. So here's what it's supposed to look like with that plastic clip in there, nice and firm. This one's broken, so it's supposed to be clipped in there, clipped in there. Time to harvest some more parts off the parts truck. So these take a 10mm. There's 4 bolts into the core support, 2 up high, 2 down low. Impact makes quick work of it. Even quicker when the 4th bolt is broke. Nice. All right, let's go get that other one. Alright, the rest is just putting it back together. Alright, we checked them out and they're working now, and now it's not loose. Like I said before, it's a little foggy. We're just going to deal with that for now. We're getting ready to take this on a trip to Tennessee, and maybe we'll see you on the road. If you do see us on the road, snap a picture and tag us in it. We got an Instagram at KIDHLR_garage, and you can find us on Facebook too. But as always, thanks for watching. If you did like this video, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And if you liked what you see, try clicking on one of these other videos. It's what YouTube thinks that you'll like. Alright, we got these working. They're working good. It's a little bit cloudy, but we're just going to deal with that for now. I've got some extra screws. I'm going to put them in the glove box of the parts truck. And as always, thanks for watching.